Hello, welcome to Help Tech Guy, and today I'm going to teach you how to use filters on Instagram. So, first, open Instagram application. On the upper left corner, you can see your profile and the plus button. Next, click camera, and then in here, scroll to the right until you reach this browse effects, and then you click it. Next, as you can see, there are lots of filters here already that you can try to use if you want. Or if you want to search a specific filter that you saw online, you can try here and then you can search it. For example, this one. If you like it already, you just need to click this save button here. And now you can see it. When you go back, you can see it and you just click. And then if you want to share it, then share. So it is so easy, and that is all for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for quick tips and tutorial.